In the rapidly evolving world of today, artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword, it's an integral part of our lives. And guess what? It's not just for adults or tech wizards. Even kids can dive into the thrilling world of AI by building their very own AI-powered chatbots. Yes, you heard it right, chatbots. These little conversational programs are shaping the future, and you can be a part of it. So why should kids learn about AI? Well, for starters, it sharpens problem-solving skills. Building chatbots involves logical thinking and the ability to handle different scenarios. It also enhances creativity. Designing a chatbot's responses to various inputs can be quite an imaginative task. It's not all about tech, though. This process also helps kids understand empathy and communication as they program their bot to respond in a thoughtful and helpful manner. Not to mention, it's a great introduction to the exciting world of science, technology, engineering, and math, also known as STEM. Now, let's understand what a chatbot is. In simple terms, a chatbot is a program that can simulate conversation with humans. They can answer your questions, provide information, or even play a game with you. There are two main types of chatbots: rule-based chatbots and AI-powered chatbots. While rule-based chatbots follow predefined rules to respond, AI-powered chatbots use machine learning to understand and generate responses, making them more advanced and personalized. Sounds complex, right? But don't worry. Building an AI-powered chatbot is easier than it seems, especially with kid-friendly platforms like the MIT app Inventor, Dialogflow by Google, and Scratch. These tools offer an intuitive, user-friendly experience, allowing kids to create multi-step conversations and integrate machine learning models. They provide a hands-on approach to learning AI and coding, all while having fun. In summary, AI is transforming the world, and it's crucial for kids to understand and engage with it. Building a chatbot provides a fun, hands-on way for kids to learn about AI, problem-solving, creativity, communication, and STEM. With the right tools and guidance, they can create their very own AI-powered chatbot and step into the future of technology. So why wait? Dive into the fascinating world of AI and explore the unlimited possibilities it offers.